seconds to get it started and rolling out of the ring. So that means because it didn't get started and rolling out of the ring in the first 10 seconds after the roll, they get 8 points. 8 points are awarded. 8 points to Scott Patterson. Let's give him a big round of applause for being the first roll. He's going to throw it in neutral. Coming to the ring is a 727 from Burford, sponsored by Take Team Automotive. This is Jarrett Houghton. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's got 10 seconds. And he goes. That's 10 points for Jarrett Houghton. 10 points. Coming in the ring, the 007 from Mitchell, sponsored by Triple V East Trough and Ranch Rough Ranch. This is Tyler Bondi. Oh, Tyler has won this competition before. Don't you worry, there's still lots of points to be had. Tyler. Coming to the ring in our little tights smart car. Our little tights diesel smart car. You're gonna hear that thing whine. This is the number 93 from St. Catherine, sponsored by the Go Getters. This is Jason McGregor. Typically this goes end over end, not side over side. Let's see how he goes. 3. Then we're gonna get him over. 6 points for Jason McGregor. Got the thumbs up. Never did you think you'd see a little smart car going over the ramp, did you? Now we're gonna go round number 2. Round number 2, there is no limit. Round number 2, if they want to roll 3, 4, 5 times, they can roll as many times as they can get speed. So first up is our Scott Patterson, the number 77 Rockets. Let's see Scott Patterson. Four sides, 8 points for Scott Patterson. 7. Here's the second run for Tyler Bundy. Oh, he hit that! Oh, he broke an axle! Oh, Tyler breaking an axle. We're going to bring in one of our loaders. Ah, Tyler! The standings are Scott Patterson, 18. Jared Hutton, 20. Jason McGregor has 12. We have one more roll, one more roll.
Good job out there. Thank you. Where are we anyway?
Let's get him flipped over one more time. That's 2. He got 4 points. 4 points on that run. That's 22. Jared Hutton in the lead. Well, technically, Scott Patterson in the lead with that 22. Jared Hutton, 20 points. He needs to hit one side. One side is all he needs. One side will tie. 2 sides is the win. We're going to bring Jared Hutton over by the impact tent. We're going to